All right, guys, here we are. Final break of the night. Caught up. We're on time. Break 508. Let's read some names. Atlanta Hawks, Paul G. Jason L. with the Celtics. Anthony F. with the Nets. Mark B. with the Hornets, Bulls, and Cavs. Sam P. with the Mavericks. Charlie C. with the Nuggets. Berwin with the Pistons. Mark R. with the Warriors. Michael D. with the Rockets. David B. Pacers. Mark B. Clippers. Enrique with the Lakers. John P. with the Grizzlies. Heat going to Enrique. Raul has the Bucks. Michael with the Timberwolves. Michael W. that is. Stephen M. with the Pelicans. Enrique with the Knicks. Jonathan P. with the Thunder. Enrique Magic. Scott C. 76ers. Berwin Suns. Paul with the Blazers. Michael D. Kings. Berwin with the Spurs. Tyler M. with the Raptors. Berwin with the Jazz. And Scott C. with the Wizards. Good luck to everybody who won their teams. Thank you so much for picking us. And please like, follow, subscribe. Let's first time opening this product, so let's see what we got here. This is new product, I think.
He said, I think. Yes, spring.
When did it come out?
Wednesday.
Wednesday?
Yeah.
All right. So we got 600 cards. So let's go ahead and start.
Your engine?
What?
That would have been, I said, your engine. That would
Your
have been
engine?
more fitting for.
Let's get her done. Here we go. All right. So again, I don't know what I'm looking at. It's the first time, so give me a second here while I get used to finding out where the rookie emblem is, just to make sure that I'm not missing anything special. Usually they put. So we have Armani Brooks backwards, so that's a press proof to 199. There you go. Toronto Rappers. The Toronto Rappers press proof. Armani Brooks for Tyler. Production line. Basic. So these are like what, throwbacks? Yeah, these are like throwbacks. Oh, these are cool though. Look at that. Net Marvel, Cade Cunningham.
That is. Why not?
There you go. Crunch time. I know these. LeBron James, people like that. There's a Raider rookie of Agbaji for the Jazz. A Raider rookie of Ivy. Raider rookie of Baldwin. Lofton. David Roddy. And then I think we're just going to have a bunch of base. So, all right, I think I got this. So it's going to be, basically, we're just going to get through all the base, get to the backwards card, and then we start again. So we got a press proof here.
Oh, did you do 2 packs?
Yeah. So press proof, DeAndre Ayton for the Suns, not numbered. Crunch time, this is a gold press proof of Luka Doncic, not numbered. Dame Lillard, Marvels. And then you've got Tim Duncan, throwback. And then you have the Unleashed Zion Williamson. Unleashed my ass. He's sitting doing nothing. Steph Curry, crunch time. Kessler, Rollins, Eason, Keels, and Williams. All right. So I think I'll probably take out that throwback maybe just to get a penny sleeve on it. But everything else I think is straight Basola. All right. I will do my best there, Tyler. I always try. I always try my best. You know that. Well, you may not know that, but I know that. All right, let's just get through all these. But again, for the sake of whoever watches these and counts their cards, press proof of Karis LeVert for Cavaliers. Lonnie Walker, nice, to 10. Lonnie Walker for the Lakers. Gold. Laser. That's number 6 of 10. Very nice, Lakers. Enrique. That's super cool right there. All right, crunch time. John Morant. Shaquille O'Neal throwback. Production line stuff. What are these? Craftsman. Johnny Davis. Caleb Houston. Keegan Murray. Nikola Jovic. Jabari Walker. And we're back to Basola. We have press proof of rated rookie Walker Kessler. Unleashed LaMelo Ball gold press proof. A Zion Williamson Marvels. Charles Barkley throwback. A Craftsman of Dame Lillard. A Unleashed LeBron James. Paulo Banchero, Marjan Beauchamp, Vince Williams Jr., Jake LaRavia, and Jalen Williams. All right. I got the hang of it.
You got it? Tyler, have you cracked this open this week yet?
All right, so let's go through these real quick. All right, so we have a press proof of KPJ. Crunch time of Steph Curry. Ooh, that's a nice crunch time. That looks like a diamond, maybe? A diamond variation of crunch time stuff. There you go, Golden State. Mark R. Very cool looking card. Not sure what that's called, but James Harden Marvels. Throwback AI Unleashed. Edwards. Crunch time Giannis. The Abate rookie. We got Sochan, Koloko, Thurin, Washington Jr. All right, let's keep the show on the road. Press proof of Lauri Markkanen, balling out for the Jazz now. TJ McCollum, we have a nice laser 102 to 149. There you go. For the Pelicans, Craftsman Bradley Beal, Vince Carter throwback, Kawhi Leonard Net Marvel, Unleashed Kawhi Leonard, Josh Minot rookie, Dalen Terry, Isaiah Mobley, Jalen Duran, and Kennedy Chandler. There's one auto apparently. I'm trying to see what else the box says. Hottest rookies. And that's about all it says. Doesn't say about find this, find that. Diamonds are 1 per box. Thanks, Dave. Appreciate the info. There's no checklist available yet, I don't think.
No, it's not.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
No, is it?
I just don't want to slow things
down. Oh, don't slow. Yeah, I got you. I thought that maybe wasn't out yet because I know sometimes they're slow on that. Never mind. But thank you for that. We always appreciate the layup there. Press proof of Pascal Siakam for Toronto. There you go, Tyler. Keegan Murray for the Kings. Oh, there's a basketball to 75. Must be the 75th basketball anniversary. Keegan Murray, rated rookie for Sacktown. Michael D. What?
I just love how you said 75th basketball anniversary.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. There's 75 basketballs. Luka Doncic crunch time. Dirk Nowitzki throwback. We got Craftsman. The rookies are all upside down. Okay. They have Blake Wesley, Kendall Brown, Malachi Branham, Bryce McGowan's, Mark Williams. Ready? All card ship. Press proof of Rudy Gobert for the Minnesota T-Wolves. Luke Kennard for the Clippers. Who now plays for, I think, Memphis. 48 of 149 for the Clippers. Laser. Steve Nash, throwback. Ja Morant, Marvel. Crunch time, Anthony Edwards. Our rookies are Luke Travers, Christian Brown, Tyrese, Matt Martin, AJ Griffin, and Liddell. Yeah. That diamond was nice, though. Especially since it was on an insert for Steph.
Yeah. Oh, decent card.
Yeah. And when we were selling these things like hotcakes when it first came out, or like 2 years ago or whatever.
Yeah.
Prices were insane. Every crunch time, everything.
The press proofs are.
Yeah. Jalen Duran, there's our auto for Detroit. Berwin, you got yourself a Jalen Duran rated rookie auto. Rookie. Press proof of John Wall Clippers. Markelle Fultz is a red laser to 99, 60. Oh, shit. 66 of 89 or 68 of 99? Well, it's one of them. Markel Fultz. Craftsman, Donovan Mitchell, Dwayne Wade, Giannis Marvel, a LaMelo Ball Unleashed. We have Dieng rookie, Max Christie, Sharp, Watson, and Chet. Press proof rated rookie of Ryan Rollins for the Warriors. Pat Connaughton is a press proof purple to 199. 52 of 199. 52 of 199. For the Bucks, Zach LaVine, Marvels. KG, throwback, Craftsman Kyrie, Unleashed Ja Morant. We got Jason Hardy, Dyson Daniels, Andrew Nemhard, Jabari Smith, and Wendell Moore Jr. All right. We made it through. We survived. Final box. Good luck, everyone. All right. Good luck, everyone. Last box. Here we go. Press proof Trae Young, Atlanta. Darius Bazley. Laser 23 of 149 for OKC Thunder. Bazley. Production line LeBron James. Patrick Ewing throwback. Marvel's Jalen Green. Crunch time Dame Lillard. And our rookies are Agbaji, Jaden Ivey, Patrick Baldwin, Lofton, Roddy. Press proof of Tim Hardaway Jr. for Dallas. Crunch time gold. Press proof LeBron James for the Lakers. Jason Tatum net Marvels for Boston. Grant Hill throwback for the Pistons. Unleashed Cade Cunningham. Crunch time Kawhi. And our rookies are Kessler, Ryan Rollins, Eason, Keels, and Jalen Williams. Huh?
My bad. I kind of went in on halfway on your.
That's all right. You got me all discombobulated, but it's okay, man. No matter what, I remain professional. All right, we have a press proof rated rookie of Tyrese Martin for Atlanta. And we have a gold Cade Cunningham Marvels press proof. There you go. We have another press net Marvels of Devin Booker. Jason Kidd with the throwback. Craftsman Jalen Green. Unleashed Trae Young. Boncaro, Beauchamp, Williams, LaRavia, and Jalen Williams. A press proof of Julius Randle. A Kawhi Leonard. Nice. We got the another diamond. Kawhi Leonard for the Clippers. Unleashed. Crunch Time Zion. Magic Johnson throwback. We have a Craftsman of Chris Paul. Johnny Davis. Caleb Houston. Keegan Murray. Nikola Jovic. And Jabari Walker. Good luck, everyone. We have a press proof of Nasir Little for Trailblazers. Yusuf Nurkic for Portland is our basketball to 75th, 20 to 75 basketball border. A Luka Doncic craftsman, Dominique throwback. Steph Curry marvels. Giannis Unleashed. Our rookies are so random how to do this. Josh Minot, Dalen Terry, Isaiah Mobley, Jalen Duran, Kennedy Chandler. We have a press proof of Kendrick Nunn for the Lakers. Robert Williams is a purple press proof to 199, 152 to 199 for Dallas. Congrats. Scotty Barnes marvels. Clyde the Glide Drexler is a throwback. Luka Doncic is unleashed. Crunch Time KD. And our rookies are Diabate, Sochin, Poloko, Mathurin, and Tai Tai. All right. Here we go. We have a press proof of Victor Oladipo for the Heat. Jalen Williams for the Thunder is our laser to 149. 39 of 149 Jalen Williams Thunder. Raider rookie. Production line, we have Chris Webber throwback. Ant-Man Marvels. Crunch Time Jimmy Butler. Rookies are Luke Travers, Christian Brown, Tyrese Martin, A.J. Griffin, and Liddell. Press proof of Darius Garland for Cavaliers. Kristaps Porzingis for Washington is our gold 8 of 10. There you go, Washington. Scott C, you got yourself a nice gold laser. 8 of 10. Kristaps Porzingis. Very nice. Very nice. Crunch Time Devin Booker, Larry Bird throwback. We have a craftsman of Trae Young. And our rookies were Blake Wesley, Kendall Brown, Malaki Branham, Bryce McGowan, and Mark Williams. All right, last 2 packs. Our auto should be in here, I suppose. Let's get a good auto. Let's get like a Chet or a Paolo. Good luck, everyone.
Tyler said one time.
Oh, one time you? Okay. All right, so we got Kenneth Lofton Jr. for the Grizzlies, and that's an auto, and it's to 75. Ooh, what is that? Like a mosaic diamond? I think that's the diamond X. Kenneth Lofton from Memphis. Who's got Memphis? Jean P. Kenneth Lofton, 21 to 75, diamond auto rated rookie. Very nice. And a press proof of Patty Mills for the Nets. Lonnie Walker. We have a red laser. Start that rainbow. 88 of 99. Lonnie Walker Lakers. James Harden Craftsman. Tony Parker throwback. KD Marvels. Unleashed KD. Dieng. Don't cry, Tyler. You could try tomorrow. Max Christie. Shadion Sharp. Peyton Watson. Holmgren. If there is a case hit, I don't even know. Press proof rated rookie of EJ Liddell for the Pelicans. We've got AJ Griffin rated rookie. Tyus Jones is a purple press proof, 13 of 199 for the Grizzlies. Nikola Jokic Marvels. Ray Allen throwback on the Sonics. Ja Morant, Craftsman, Unleashed Dame Lillard, Jaden Hardy, Dyson Daniels, Nembhard, Jabari Smith, and Wendell Moore. All right, that was that. Let's recap. We had that press proof of Tyus Jones to 199. We had that red laser to 99 of Lonnie Walker. We had a Jalen Williams to 149 laser rated rookie. We had a purple press proof of Robert Williams for the Celtics to 199. We had the anniversary border to 75 of Yusuf Nurkic. We did get the, I don't guess this is diamond, but I'm not sure. Hawaiian Leonard, some kind of special edition. Unleashed. Gold Net Marvels of Cade Cunningham. A gold crunch time of LeBron James. A Darius Bazley laser to 149 for OKC. A purple press proof of Pat Connaughton, 52 to 199. A red laser to 99 of Markelle Fultz for the Magic. A laser to 149 of Luke Kennard for the Clippers. Again, an anniversary border to 75 of Keegan Murray rated rookie for Sacktown. We had a laser for the Pelicans to 149 of CJ McCollum. We had this beautiful diamond, Steph Curry crunch time insert. Unleashed gold LaMelo Ball press proof. The crunch time Luka Doncic gold press proof. And we had Kristaps Porzingis for the Wizards 8 out of 10 gold laser. And a 6 out of 10 for the Lakers Lonnie Walker gold laser. And our two autos were Kenneth Lofton to 75. Beautiful diamond looking variation. Rated rookie auto. And we got a rated rookie of Jalen Durant for Detroit. All right, guys and gals, thank you so much. I will see you guys tomorrow night. Thank you for hanging in with us. Sleep well. See you tomorrow.
Good night, everyone.